Alrighty, back again. It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video we are testing the oscillating multi-tool from Harbor Freight. I've never used this one before. I did an unboxing tutorial of it a while ago. We're on a vinyl plank job. I'm going to put it to the test, see if it's worth the investment, so check this out with me. So what I did, just took a little scrap piece of the vinyl plank that we're actually installing. I'm going to put it right up to the trim pieces here, and I'm going to cut them out just so we can get a nice finish on the flooring, because this house is going on the market, so we're polishing it up to get that good result. So alright, that was probably painfully loud for you, so I'm going to drop a beat over that so you don't have to deal with that one. But boom, it cuts nice. The plank fits under there nice, so we're good to go. Let's do one other one just to make sure this doesn't burn out on us right away. Get our plank up against that. Let's dive in. That one actually started to come undone on me there. All right, let's try that one more time. Bad test. Let me tighten this up. So it doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem with the product. I just didn't get it tight enough the first time I set it up. So we're going to put it back together here. Put a little more oomph on it. All right, let's try this again. There we go. Got to help that one out a little bit. All right, plank fits nice under there, fits nice under there. So, aside from it loosening up while I was using there, which is probably my fault, I probably didn't tighten it enough from the beginning. So far, decent product, super cheap. I think it was under 40 bucks. So if you're on a budget, you're looking for an oscillating multi-tool, the Harbor Freight one so far is delivering. I'm gonna go ahead, and we have several other jams, so we'll see how it performs on the rest of the job site. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. All right, so I found the flaw with this. It's super affordable, works well. The blade doles out ridiculously fast. So if you pick this up, be sure to get extra blades or better quality blades. That's my only gripe with the product there. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.